What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is my quick review of the LDARC, formerly known as Kingkong, but this is the ET115. This one has the same exact components as the ET125, has the same motors and everything. These motors are very powerful. From corner to corner, it's just a little bit smaller, and so really the only significant difference is the size of the props here. So these are the props that Kingkong made for the Baby Hawk initially, it seems. They're just a different color. So these props are 2345s, and they're the exact same dimensions as the Baby Hawk props, the original ones. And these were a little more balanced, and these make quads fly great. And so this thing flies really nice, has a really great punch out. It has almost as much punch as the ET125. And so this one is the one in the middle. It's a little large still to be flown indoors, but the rings do seem to be tough enough to fly indoors. I have hit this one pretty hard, and this one hasn't given out. The ET125, I think the rings being made a little larger kind of weakened them. These might be a little weaker as well as compared to the ET100's rings, but these are definitely stronger than the 125's rings, it seems. I have not broken a ring on this one. This is mainly an outdoor craft, I think, in nature. If you remove the rings off it, you can fit the normal props on here, the props that are on the 125. Let's test that, actually. So there it is there. Check it out. So as you can see, the props will barely fit. They will make it. Let's see, we got some 3-inch props on deck. Wow, so it looks like you can probably fit some 3-inch props on this one as well. So the only thing holding this back from larger props is the prop guards. And really nice model, I must say. This thing flies really nice. It has all the benefits of the 125 in being large enough to see outside for line of sight acro. So really easy to fly line of sight acro. Is very stable, and you might be able to get away with flying this one indoors. This is the one that I would advocate for people if you're not going to just go with the 100, because I think the 100 is an excellent flyer for indoors. It's just small enough for you to be able to fly indoors without worry. But this one, it still has that power issue. It's very powerful. The punch out is crazy on this one. I did do a video on this one already, flying it, and I showed the punch out on there. So I will link in the description that flight of this outdoors. We've been having some terrible weather here on the East Coast. If you guys been following the weather, snow, ice, and sleet and stuff. But anyhow, this thing is a really nice flyer, and it's pretty durable, and you might be able to get away with flying it indoors. It has the same VTX as the Fly Egg series, so it has a VTX that's 25 milliwatts to 100 milliwatts switchable, and that's done via unbridging a solder point. It comes already set for 100 milliwatts, and as you can see, I do have diversity on my receiver there. I did add a DSMX receiver, and also here I did add an XT30. This one does come with the same battery that the ET125 came with. This 550 milliamp hour 2S GNB battery. So they stepped it up, and it does come with the same case and all. So really awesome model, and I think this is the one that I would go for. The one in the middle. The ET115. Thanks for watching.